Today we're going to install the NeoPearl WaterSense certified 1 gallon per minute faucet aerator. I bought this unit for about $3.50 at the Home Depot. You can see that the plastic is fairly beaten up. That shouldn't affect anything. It boasts a 1.0 gallon per meter flow as opposed to the traditional 2.2 gallon per meter flow. What you will need is a pair of pliers, an old piece of cloth so you don't damage your old aerator, and of course a faucet. What we'll begin by doing is we'll put the cloth around the old aerator in a thin packaging, and then we'll use the pliers to twist it off, and the pliers will keep us from hurting the aerator. With that loosened, you can just twist this right on out, and you can see the old unit there. It's actually got a little clogging. It's probably about time to clean it out either way. With the old unit out, we take our new aerator and we simply drop it in, and then we take our washer, and there should be 2 that come in the packaging set. We take the thicker washer that comes with the 2 and we drop it back on there. We want to make sure that there are no leaks in the faucet. And now we pick this guy back up and simply there's a little bit of trash that just came out there, so let's clean out with our finger. Just kind of rub your finger around in there, pull out any old washers. There was one in there. Alright, am I missing anything? No. Alright, now we just take our new one and put it back in, twist it back up, and if we need to, do the exact same thing that we did before with the cloth and the pliers. As you can see, actually no water runs around the edges. We just saved about 1.2 gallon per minute on flow, supposedly, and you know, that's just the right thing to do. If you live in cold climates, you may find that you often drip your faucets. That might actually help reduce even the water drippage there. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye. You shouldn't even be able to tell a difference.